I recently made over $800 online from simply listening to music, and in this video I am going to show you how you can do this even with a brand new account, using your laptop or your smartphone. The first thing you're gonna have to do is to go to this website called Mixkit.co. Once again, it's Mixkit.co. As you can see right here, Mixkit.co is a website where you can find awesome free assets that you can use in your projects. We are not going to be creating any project, however. We are simply going to be using this website to listen to music and then make money from it. In just a moment, I will show you how you can listen to music tracks just like these ones right here, and how you can start making money. As you can see here, $5.37, $4.50, $10, $8, and even up to $25 US. Let me just keep scrolling down here, and you can see there are literally pages upon pages of people from all over the world that are using this method to make money online, simply listening to music. Let us quickly calculate here how much money you can be making in a day from simply doing this. If you listen to just one song, you can earn about $8. Listen to 10 songs, you will be paid about $80. If it's 20 songs, then you get paid $160. If you listen to 50 songs, you will get $400. And listening to 100 songs will earn you up to $800, and even much more. So make sure you have your smartphone ready, or your laptop. This method is absolutely free, which means no investment needed, and even if you are a beginner, and you have never made any money online, you will be able to do this. But before we go further into the video, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and turn on notifications, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now on Mixkit, you scroll down here, and you can see all these music tracks that we are going to be using to make money. On this website, all these audio clips are for free, and you can use them with no attribution, or even signing up on their website. There are literally hundreds and thousands of songs on this website, and in this video, I am going to give you at least 3 special tips to help you make even more money with this website. Now, I need you to scroll to the top here where it says genre, and you only have to hover your mouse over it, and it will show you the different music genres that are available on this website. We can make money with any of these, but since you are subscribed to this channel, I want to show you something even more special. So, go ahead and open either the acoustic genre or the hip-hop genre category. You are going to find this collection of free acoustic tracks that you can download for absolutely free. Also, on this page, you can find hundreds of free downloadable hip-hop tracks. Okay, so let us go on to this song right here, and click the play button here to start listening to it. You do not have to listen to the whole song, because there are thousands of songs we are going to do this to. Now, I need you to find the download button, which is just below the play button. Click on the download button so that you download the song onto your computer. After the download is finished, do the same with this other track right here, and download it also to your computer. And in order to make the most money with this method, I need you to keep on doing this, and download as many music tracks as you can onto your computer. In a moment, I am going to show you how we are going to be making money with all these downloaded music tracks. For the second step now, I need you to go to this website called up-forever.org. Up-Forever is a website that is going to pay you to upload your files and images. On this website, we are going to be uploading all those music tracks that we just downloaded from Mixkit.co. And every single time someone downloads our music files from Up-Forever, we are going to make money. Like I said before, this is a very simple technique that you can use to make easy money online. All you will be doing is to simply go back to Mixkit.co, download any track from any of these categories, and upload the track onto Up-Forever. On this website, they have a 4-tier structure of payments, which will categorize the amounts that you will earn, depending on where you received most of your downloads from. For example, downloads from the United States and Canada are in Tier 1, Australia is Tier 2, Saudi Arabia and the UAE are in Tier 3, and the rest of the world are in Tier 4. Now what this means is that countries in Tier 4 will earn you at least $3, those in Tier 3 and Tier 2 will earn you about $4, and finally Tier 1 countries will earn you a good $7. There are at least 5 profit modes that you can benefit from on this website, and these include paid per download, paid per referral, mix, website banners, and also, they will allow you to sell your files. Another exciting thing I have to mention here is that they have over 20 different payment options that you can choose from. They will provide you with the most electronic bank widely used, even local in Arab countries, in order to facilitate the arrival of payments wherever you are. To mention but a few, they have a PayPal option, Payeer, WebMoney, Payoneer, Bitcoin, Western Union, Cash Plus, and several others. Also, their minimum payout is just as low as $1, which means you can withdraw your money as soon as you make your first $1. Let me show you a real live example of how you are going to make money on this website right now. But before we proceed here, remember to smash the like button and to subscribe to our channel. In the comments section below, I need you to type yes or no if you agree to the following positive statement. Also remember to comment your country name below, so that I can keep making more videos that work in your area. Now, let us get back to making money. Okay, let us go here and click the sign up button. The sign up process is very easy. It will take you less than a minute to complete. As always, type your username, your passwords right here. Put your email in this box, then click this CAPTCHA, and finally click the sign up button. By the way, if you prefer, there is an option for you to sign in using your Facebook account, your Twitter account, or your Google account. Once your account is ready, then go here and click where it says welcome. Select my account, and you will be taken to your dashboard. This is a brand new account, and I am going to show you step by step how you can set up your own account to make earnings like these, easy and effortlessly. By the way, be sure to click on the payment information button and finish setting up your preferred payment option. Select your respective category from here, and after that click on save. Now, let us go here to the left side here, and click on upload files. On this page, we are going to actually start uploading the music files that we downloaded earlier onto this website. But before you start downloading, be sure to take note of these warnings here at the top here. First, you are not allowed to upload any material that will violate the terms of service, or your account will risk being closed. Secondly, you should ensure that you have your ad blocker turned off, as this might as well interrupt with the upload process. We are going to start uploading the music file now, by clicking this button here. And as soon as it is finished, you will see it right here. Here is another bonus tip for you. Make sure that you select public, so that other people can access your music file. Another bonus tip here also is, make sure that you fill in the name of the music track, and the name of the artist also. To do that, simply go to the Mixkit website, and find the name of the song, and also the name of the artist, and then you can insert them inside this box right here, in order to optimize your files. Once you are done with that, then click on Start Upload. Just wait a few seconds, and depending on your internet connection, the process will be complete, and it's going to say files uploaded. The next thing you are going to do, is to set a price for your music file, so that every time someone downloads your music file, you will be paid at least $7. Repeat the process as many times as you can, going back to the Mixkit website, downloading the music tracks from there, and getting paid for those music tracks, for a very long time, provided you set this up correctly. And, that is all you have to do. Now, if you want to learn even more ways to make money online, then subscribe to our channel, and give this video a thumbs up. Then click here to watch this next video to discover how you can earn money from simply watching movies and TV shows. See you in the next video.